So this was just slapping down an old saw blade, grabbing an old kitchen knife that's basically junk, but just using it to kind of get a shape for the profile. Then grabbing the old angle grinder, grindy, sparky, get some of these shapes cut out. And with those shapes, I'm going to turn this saw blade into a knife. Cut out and then doing some shaping on the grinder. More sparky, grindy. Getting all of the excess off, trying to get closer to the shape I actually want. And once I have things close to the shape I have drawn on, using a nice Sharpie marker, then we are about to the point, almost ready to do some heat treatment. There we are, got it in the forge. Can't see it on here, but I do have a magnet off screen. I keep checking because I want to heat it up to the point that it becomes non-magnetic. Once I hit non-magnetic, I stick it back in the forge to get back up to heat, put it into the quenching oil, dab it around a bit, and once I'm done with the quenching oil, I throw it straight into a toaster oven, which is what I use for my temper. I did about an hour-long soak at 400 degrees to temper it, which is taking away some of the hardness so that it's not going to snap on me when I'm using it. And then I'm getting the final grind done, getting rid of some of that extra scale from being in the forge, and then getting actual shape and putting an edge on it eventually. So once we get to this point, we are really close to having the knife completed. Just a little swish swash, shapey, getting things nice and lovely, and then it is time to put on the handle. So I've got some carbon fiber handle scales, 2-part epoxy, use the tongs to help squirt out some extra epoxy, mixing that together with my glove covered fingers, and then spreading that on with carbon fiber. Putting those in place and using my clamps. Clamp it on. Once that's timed out, get it back to shape, and you're done.